Hey everybody, welcome to Margie's Bite. Today I went to the grill in Ville. I got their fried ravioli, got nachos, and I got their Jack Daniel's burger. Okay, we'll start with the fried ravioli. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip it in sour cream. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Had a nice coating. It was crunchy. Had a nice little cheesy in the middle. All right. Let's start with the nachos. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Pretty good. Chips are pretty crunchy. I don't know if they use shredded cheese. It tastes like kind of like that nacho cheese. So I'm not a big fan of nacho cheese. It's still good, but okay. So I got their Jack Daniel's burger, tater tots. Okay. Okay. Those are nice and seasoned. Pretty crunchy. Wow. Very good. Okay. Look at the size of this burger. Got Jack Daniel's sauce, cheddar, bacon. Okay. Alright. Okay. The bun was nice and soft. The burger was nice and tender. Very nicely seasoned. That Jack Daniel's sauce really, really gave it a good kick to it. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. This is Margie's Bite. Peace out, people.